Hi there guys, welcome back. As promised, it is now time to do the rear suspension on the van. Hopefully you guys did watch the other couple of videos of me doing the front. I did split that up into the torsion bolts and the actual struts. I am going to smash this out quite quickly, so hopefully this will be quite helpful and saves you watching two videos. So as you can see, it's already jacked up on axle stands and the wheel is off. The only things you really need for this are an 18mm, see if I can get, there you go, an 18mm socket. That's for this bolt at the very top. As you can see, I have already slightly got that out. And a 16, it's not going to focus, there you go, and a 16mm. That is for that one down there. And then once you've done that, make sure you've got your jack underneath, because it will try and fall out and kill you. Probably won't kill you. So I'm going to get all this out and undone, and I'll get back to you once I've done it. So that's removed. Excuse me. You have got, once you've removed it, you obviously got your bolt at the bottom, some little washer cup thing, and then the rubber, I don't know, like a bushing type thing. You've also got one that side of the strut. So you need to reuse these if you're getting new struts, because most of the time they don't come with them. Then obviously all the bolts are undone. The strut is just in there with hopes and dreams. You're going to want to lower the jack just a little bit, and you'll see everything will start to drop. There you go. Once you get to about that point, there you go, the strut actually comes out, and then that can go away, my friend's van. Then remove the spring. You can replace it. This is actually the actual lowering springs. I have also removed the top bump stop. Not quite sure how well that's going to work, but I will keep them just in case. Then what you're going to need is the struts. Then, like I've explained, these are new to me struts, so none of them are blown. They are all in good working order. As I did explain, you do need to reuse the rubber bushings. Hopefully that's all in frame enough for you. So you put that one on there, which goes that way around. I have actually got new bolts for the bottom, because I don't know if this is just the struts that I've got, but these bolts, the thread pitch is actually completely different. So I did go out and buy me some new bolts. You want to put the rubber bushing on like that, and the little sort of cup locator. You're going to want to obviously raise it up again, because you're going to want to make sure everything's where it's supposed to be. Put your bolt back in. So you got your bolt at the top and at the bottom. Doesn't matter what order you do these bolts up in. And then once you've got all your bolts tightened, it's all in there properly, everything's all nice and tight and shiny and new-ish, you can then lower the jack down. It'll be time to put the wheels back on, and then once the wheels are back on, I'll come back to you and I'll show you what my ride height is. I might have to end up getting different springs that are slightly lower, because I'm not entirely sure. The guy who sold them off me said that he thinks they're 40mm drop springs, but he is unsure, so we'll find out together. But that is essentially how you would do this. Just literally simple as two bolts, one there, one at the bottom, and put the new ones back in. Quite a simple job. We did actually have to cut the other side out because it was completely rusted in and was just not coming out at all. So we've already done that. We're going to put the wheels back on it now and see how low we sit. So I'll see you in a minute. And that's it, back on the floor, no more jack stands, wheels back on. As you can see, I can still, obviously got a little bit of rust there, ignore that, but I do have slight wheel gap. Obviously you're going to have to wait for these struts to settle, because they have been sat around, so they do need to settle. Like I said, I will be getting other springs, so I will be getting it down a little bit more, but I am impressed. Hopefully this has actually helped you. If it has, please give this video a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button and take it easy.